When calculating the LCM in Excel and VBA, an inaccuracy in the function is observed, as the term least common multiple implies the need for at least two numbers for the calculation. However, both tools perform the operation with a single value, leading to an interpretation that may impact mathematical precision and pose challenges for global education, where computational tools play a fundamental role in teaching. A relevant factor is that when requesting the LCM calculation from Copilot in Excel, it states that the operation cannot be performed with only one number. This behavior highlights the necessity of at least two values for the correct determination of the least common multiple. The author presents a possible solution to clarify to users the limitation of Excel when calculating the LCM with only one number, highlighting the need for at least two values for an accurate calculation. This issue is relevant because the concept of least common multiple involves comparing multiples of different numbers, and using only one value can lead to misinterpretations. This initiative aims to enhance the understanding of the mathematical features provided by the software, promoting a more efficient and innovative global learning experience. By offering this guidance, the goal is not only to ensure that Excel is used more accurately and educationally, but also to emphasize the importance of a rigorous mathematical approach for educational application. With this, students, teachers, and professionals can use the tool more reliably, aligned with the principles of applied mathematics.